trip to Japan and I wanted to get my lips done, and I came in. By the time I got there, perfect. They were beautiful. I should know what one of the trips was Italy. I forgot. That's why my lips were so luscious and sure. I'll send you up was for. I did see that I was migrating a lot. Even my brother was like, "Ooh, you're looking kind of delky." I'm like, "Okay." My brother's noticing and saying something. I think I gotta change it. Hi, I'm Susie. I'm here at Elase and talking about my experience and why I keep coming back. I feel like I've gone through a lot of med spas and switched over to Rachel. She was recommended to me. And when I first started with her, I got my lips completely dissolved and started fresh with her. And that was like the best decision I ever made. But I'm also like super insecure about my real natural small lip. To go through that process of dissolving them and not having lips is like traumatizing. We did it in the shortest, safest amount of time as possible. We dissolved, came back, checked, see if I need another round of dissolve, we're good. And then as soon as I was able to, I came back with Rachel, who did probably I think like half a syringe or 1 syringe. I think you should always start to like moderately see how you look when the swelling goes down. I've actually taken my goddaughter here, my mom here, I've had my mom's lips corrected. She makes them look natural and nice. For me, it was definitely my freckles and sunspots. That was my main thing. I actually did the BBL all over my arms and back and everything.
And was she BBL'd like her entire body? So recently, Susie actually did treatment with BBL laser, which stands for broadband light. It really heavily targets pigmentation. Treated BBL, chest, arms, legs, shoulders, you name it. Just all those like little areas that you start noticing some of those sunspots creeping up.
My chest and face, I could tell the difference. Like first round for sure, it was complete different. Even my friends were like, wow, your skin tone and everything looks even. Probably do a BBL Moxie treatment once a year just to keep my sunspots and freckles at bay.
Everyone, which I love, is really into anti-aging or just like proactive about aging prevention. You know, of course, we can't prevent aging, but we can just make it look a little better.
So I've done sculpture like here, temples. I just think it looks more natural than filler. Sculpture is better for that lifted look, filling in the hollowness as you age. You know, things sag and you lose some collagen. So it also helps to do like collagen. So it's a more natural approach than just getting that filler. I'm always pro do it all. I'm telling all my girlfriends, do it. The pain's not bad. And they help a lot with that pain. They can numb you. They give you all the little vibrating tools. No, telling my younger self, you say that, girl, because these things cost money. We aren't saying that rare positions are expensive. But I am a Beauty Bank member. They actually took me a while to talk manager because I always feel like they're just trying to get, but I knew I was going to say here, I like the girls. And I'm like, I'm going to be spending that money anyways. I'm going to be spending that $200 a month. So why would I not think about it, have it? And every time I come in, she's like, oh, have your bank. Beautiful. And I get a 15% off on treatments, products, which I'm going to buy regardless. So for me, it's a win. This is how I age, basically. I don't want to, let the wrinkles set in, let the filler just... I'm pro do it all. There's other treatments. I'm going to get microneedling done, or I'm going to get a hydrofacial. I'm going to do facials and stuff, or laser treatments to prepare. She knows what works on your face and your structure. So it's a lot of money too. You're investing a lot in your face. And I want to feel comfortable where I'm at. Like, girl, I get a little fresh. I think that's when I took my mom. We both wanted to have fresh lips. What was the one? I just did a BBL and a Moxie treatment. Round and free, which I love. That's what gives me my confidence at all, is just being able to get these treatments.